Hello everyone, welcome to the final episode, well at least for now, of our series on popular Xhosa names in South Africa. Don't worry, we'll be back later this year when the 2024 report drops. But for today, we're diving into the names that stole the hearts of South African parents between 2022 and 2023. Here's a sneak peek. Semi-vintage names are still dominating the charts, and a big twist. One super popular name, a top 2 favorite for at least 5 years, has completely vanished from the list. Any guesses on which name that might be? While you're pondering that, let's kick off the countdown. Taking the 3rd spot, we've got 2 beloved returnees. The charming unisex pair, Lwandle and Iminati. Lwandle, Iminati, stealing the spotlight once again. Taking the number 2 spot, we've got a mix of 4 classics and 1 exciting newcomer. We've got Amahle, Lubanzi, Sipho Sethu, Lisakhanya, and the newcomer Zanokuhle. Now let's shine the spotlight on Zanokuhle. This gorgeous unisex name carries a special vibe. It's the perfect pick if you want your child to spread beauty wherever they go. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Did anyone guess or even imagine that the long-time top 2 favorite, Enzokuhle, would completely drop off the charts? Shockingly, it vanished from the rankings back in 2021. But I have a feeling that it might stage a comeback in the future. Don't count it out just yet. And finally, claiming the top spot, we have the unbeatable champion, Melokuhle.